Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to repair company files in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, before you actually go ahead and do your repairing, back up your company file. So once you launch up QuickBooks, come here at the top left, click on File, okay? And then I want you to just click on Backup Company, then just create a local backup, okay? Make sure you back it up, and then what we're going to do, we are going to come here the top left, okay? I want you to click here on File and then click on Utilities, and you'll see right here it says Verify Data. Go ahead and click on this, wait for the scan to complete, and if QuickBooks says your data lost integrity, then we need to rebuild. Otherwise, you don't need to do the next step. So if it says that your data has lost integrity, what you do is you come here, click on File, click on Utilities again, and then just click here on Rebuild Data, okay? And when you're prompted, go ahead and save your backup. Just wait for the rebuild to complete, then run Verify Integrity again, Verify Data Integrity. Come click on File, Utilities, click on Verify Data, okay? And then just confirm that the repair basically worked. So it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.